Wago's 243 series micro push wire connectors for junction boxes have proven their success 1,000,000 times over in low current applications. The 243 series provides fast and reliable connections for smaller solid conductors, making it ideal for house communication, detection, bell, alarm, and signal systems. The junction box connectors feature Wago's push wire connection technology, allowing strip conductors to be simply pushed into the clamping unit until they hit backstop. This is the fastest way to reliably terminate solid conductors. Up to 8 solid conductors, ranging in size from 0.6 to 0.8 square millimeters or 22 to 20 AWG, can be connected via push wire termination. Furthermore, modular connectors can be assembled to 4-wire connector strips, preventing KNX bus connections from being interrupted. For disconnection, the conductor to be removed is held and twisted alternately left and right while pulling the connector. Wago's push wire connectors are available with a DIN rail mount carrier. A screw mounting option also provides perfect integration of the carrier into other installation applications. The Wago 243 series, the smallest networker. Wago, innovative connections.